For our penultimate category this evening, we turn our attention to the wedding videographer category. Beautifully shot, thoughtfully edited, and unobtrusive observation were just some of the plaudits showered on the wedding videographers here in the Northwest. As digital camera equipment develops at pace, it serves to release the creativity in wedding filmmakers all over the country. Gone are the days of the cheesy, soft-focus wedding videos of old. Couples want movie-quality films of their big days, and that is exactly what they're getting in the Northwest. Two videographers stood out in particular, and so, highly commended in the videographer category is Adam Wing Film. Congratulations to you. Well, ladies and gentlemen,